day 12, or I should really say episode 12 or something like that, because, well, the episodes aren't really daily, to be honest. Like week 12 or something of the bulk. Since it's the 31st of October, I'm hoping I could see some scary gains in the gym. But I mean, like, the only way to find out really is to just go to the gym and train really hard. So without further ado, let's go. To do this video a long time, especially I think it's been well over like half a year since I showed my first pull day. Now that's mainly because it's kind of hard to film in this gym, because you can't really put the camera anywhere that doesn't, mess up the flow, because it's a really small gym. But now it's empty. I fucked myself harder than last time when I trained past like the gym's closing time. I did not have a lot of sets left, but now, like, I've just started and it's already 15 past. So I'm just gonna have to do the one set method for today. Just try to fucking rep out as hard as possible, and just try to have that Mike Menzer crackhead mentality. So I fucked up. I pulled the alarm So I'll be right back to show you some home workout that you can do with only dumbbells. Okay, some quick improv since can really finish the workout. I'm gonna show you two very good dumbbell only rear delt and tricep movements that you can do at home if you can't really finish your workout at the gym. Now, first is just a simple rear delt fly, kind of like a seated lateral raise, except you just bend over. Now, you don't really need a bench for this. I would just use a chair without a armrest. And secondly is a basic dumbbell skull crushers. Now, if you do these two movements, I guarantee you will see some good progress. Pretty improvised posing, so I just have to make do with that, to be honest. And yeah, let's check the half decent pump. Current weight is around 81 kilos, and yeah, bit improvised with the posing since I pulled the alarm. I'm gonna try to record a better video, and hopefully I can release that around like Saturday or Sunday or something like that. But I mean, yeah, that concludes it for this video. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys soon.